are here, pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Hello, hello, Monday. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. Hello, Guts. Welcome. Happy Monday. I want to go back to the weekend. The weekend was nice. I already missed the weekend. It's only been a single day. Damn. I'm doing alright. Doing alright. You know? Getting into the swing of things, I guess. Might be able to hear some new background music. You know? We still have the old stuff. There's now also the new stuff. By new stuff, I mean the other music that I have, and I filtered out all the just the sound effects and stuff, so we're not gonna get just random sound effects. It's only gonna be actually like music. But we'll see. Assuming that it doesn't get copyright struck or anything on YouTube, and I don't have interest with it, then cool. If I start getting issues with it, then we'll have to go back to what we had before. We'll see. But hopefully it'll be fine. Find out soon. Other than that, I released apparently the best video I've ever done on Sunday, which is kind of sad. It's kind of sad that's the case. I mean, I don't know if it's the best ever thumbnail. It's not that different than the other thumbnails I've ever done. The same font, the same things, the same maybe one or two things in the pictures. It's the same format. I didn't do anything different. So it is what it is. Yeah, exactly the same. Well, But otherwise, continue on today. Subject on the thumbnail. Yeah, but I can't do anything about the other effects not being as appealing. I work with what I got. It is what it is. Yeah, the little spinny thing. Yeah, whatever that's called. That effect thing. Yeah, that's cool. It did get shared a lot more because it got shared through like some other discords and stuff because it was from a plugin. So the person who made the plugin did share it with other places as well. So that also helped. Well, we'll see. If I can figure anything out about that plugin, I'll make some tutorials for it, but who knows if I'll be able to the person who made the plugin is like, I love how some of these comments are like, please make an hour tutorial on how to tackle a 6 months 5-person team full-time project. Like, yeah, that's usually what people ask of me. Please make tutorials for this thing that should take somebody a team and a lot of manpower. And can I get like a 10-minute tutorial? Thanks. That's usually the case. But I'm used to it. You gotta look at those and be like, okay, well, what can I actually do? And then, pick and choose. That's why a lot of the tutorials that people like ask me, like, hey, can we do a tutorial for this? It's like, I don't want to dedicate a 10-part series. Aren't you the Unreal God? Says who? I've never called myself an Unreal God. You guys have been calling me all sorts of things. I don't call myself anything. Me? No. Never. Absolutely never. You forget I'm dumb? You remember? I mean, must be having a lapses of memory then. Anyway, the plan for today is simple. Try to continue with the information. And I had a note for myself. Structure description / display text was the data table. We're gonna get it by the struct name. Now I need to remember exactly what I'm talking about. Because I don't remember exactly what I'm talking about. And I think it's why don't I remember exactly what I'm talking about? I don't have any functions here. Because I needed to store basically this information. What happens here. And I needed to tie it to the keyword and enable it when a keyword is selected. Now I remember. Based on this. If this is enabled, then I need to... Okay. It's starting to come back to me. It was 2 days ago, so I'm trying to remember what the hell I was doing. But we're slowly coming back. Slowly, we'll remember. I'll wake up if you will. I was napping before stream started. For like a few minutes. And then I was like, oh yeah, I should probably eat. And then I started cooking food, and then I realized, oh, I have like less than 5 minutes before stream starts. I guess I'm not cooking anymore. And so I stopped. And that was that. Guess we need a. I want a struct for keywords, or do I want an enum for keywords? Keywords can probably. Oh no, we wanted the. Hold on. I'm missing stuff that should be open. I need to. Data tables. Set color. Add to favorites. There we go. Paper assets I've actually not needed for a while. So can I remove your favorites? There we go. Okay, so here I opened the wrong thing. Here we have keywords. Okay, so this keywords we still need to separate it. So yes, we need to keep this keywords as is. But then we want to add a new struct. Keyword descriptions. This is going to have the description. It's going to be a text type. And it is going to also have some. Actually, hold on. Do we need anything besides description? I could also use the name of it. I could put that in the description. Right, because we have this template, it's going to be like unstackable, colon, and then description. Because I don't need a... Okay, well, I'll keep it in the description just for now. And then we want a data table. What are the other data tables? Based off of keyword descriptions. Keyword descriptions. And now here, I can go ahead and be like, I would need to name it the exact same thing as I do here. The row name. Hey, Sagathor, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. And here, be like unstackable. Does not stack with other cards of the same name. Highest. Keeps highest. There you go. Oh, something like that. And now, do I want to put it onto this? Probably not. Probably not. So here, we have this. So we show all the visibility of them, which is great, but I also need to set the information for them. And I need to do that on construction. So let's make a new function called add keyword descriptions. Now, I need to do, I think I need to do keyword descriptions. Add child. And then here we need to do create widget. And the widget we create is this one, CWB keyword description. I'll keep it there. And this gets added here. Now, I don't know if I need to change the visibility and all that on that. Or the not visibility, the size and all that. It seems like it's probably going to be fine. We'll find out. Now, if I did compile here, and we just tried it out. Oh, it's because... There we go. So, I only get the one. Still. Was this successful? Yeah, it's player controller. I wish it would tell me if this was successful. Is valid. Oh. I did it again, didn't I? Yeah, I did it again. Why do I always do this, guys? Why do I always make a function and then forget to plug it in and then wonder why it doesn't work? Excellent. Okay, so it is able to add it. Good. But it does add a collapse visible. So set set visibility to collapsed. Still visible. Oh. That wasn't plugged in. There we go. Okay. Okay. A tale's old as time. Yeah, the tale keeps repeating itself for some reason. It doesn't like my head has issues. Which is, most likely the case. I am dumb after all. Okay, so now we're adding the description a single one, manual. So now we need to do some stuff. So first of all, I don't need this anymore. So now we want to do this for every single effect that we have. Okay, so hold on. What do we have What do we have info for? We have the keywords. Okay, keywords. So here we're adding. Yeah, so we have an enum already for it. Okay. So here we can get keywords. And then do a for each loop. Okay. Then for each of these, gonna be a thing. So we need to get data table row. Data table is dt for descriptions. This is to name. No, we want to do toString and then string to name, because for whatever reason we can never do just to name. And then from here we have the actual description. Okay. So then we need on here we need a new function called set description. Just going to be a text. Excuse me. Okay. Here we do set text. And the text is just going to be, do we just push it through, or do we want to do a conversion? Well, this is already text format, so we can just push it through. So here, before we add to the child, we can do a set, the description. That goes in there. Hold on a second. I thought did IQ get reset again? It's been a while. Hold on. Why flashing? No, IQ is set to correct thing. a while since it complained. There we go. Odd. The coolant temp got higher than it liked. And it's like, no. We're gonna notify you for this. Okay. All fixed. Okay. Sorry about that. So now it should give me on just the ones I need. So nothing here. Unstackable. Does not stack with other cards of the same name. Keeps highest. Perfect. Does not. And this one doesn't have anything, as it should. Have anything? Has it. Okay, so there we go. So now we're able to add descriptions. Okay. Now it looks absolutely horrible. So let's fix that. Is this a... Oh, this is a common text box. I want a rich text box because I'm going to want to control the... I'm going to want to control this. So... this should copy the exact same info. And now here... yeah, I know you're complaining, so we can do this text variable. I was going to be a different format though. That's fine. We'll fix all that in a moment. Wrap. Yeah. Where's this error? There it is. Set text. So now what we can do is go off of this guy, and then we can do unstackable. So then here in the description, we can do unstackable. And let's see, does it work? It does. The rest of it kind of looks shitty. Well, you're gonna need to fix that. So let's make a new new description. This is going to be our keyword description. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate this. Change this to keyword description. Change the text to be very dark gray. And then here, theoretically, we can do this. Aha! I think we get rid of all of the shadowing. So I think on here we get rid of
Ads are here. Pausing for
drop shadow. Do I have underneath? Do I have a drop shadow? Shadow offsets. Yes, I do. Or we just remove. We lower the amount. I'll do it after that. So. The one thing I am noticing is it's a little hard to read. You miss your Discord ping redeem. How do you miss it if you never had it? Here. Should get your check your Discord notification. Is that better? Yeah, I didn't add it. I was going to. You dreamed about it? I mean, dreaming about it involves you sleeping. Have you been sleeping, Guts? Or are you a daydreamer? You just start hallucinating during the day because of lack of sleep. Yeah. Pretty much that. Okay. Well, I mean, it could be worse. Could be having hallucinations of nightmares during the day. Now you're hallucinating about, you know, having your Discord ping being taken away. So, I mean, there are worse things. Casually hallucinating? I mean, that's the best kind of hallucinating, right? Casual. So here's... I think I don't like the light and dark. I think I swapped this around. I think I go back to what I had before, basically. So make this light. And here, we change the background here to be dark. And then we keep the text white. It's just easier to read. It needs to be a little more cut off. I mean, in terms of wrap. So maybe like 6.5. $6.10 maybe. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I think we can go a little bit higher size. I think we can go a little higher size. What is the size on this? 35. I'm gonna go 40. See, if I increase the size of this as well, it would affect the one below, I believe. Why is this? Why is this bigger than this? Because that is scaling. This is not. So I want this one. So this is actually better. So we can do like... okay, we can't go that high. I mean, that's okay, honestly. I think that's okay. Yeah. Can we also align it vertically? Yeah, that's better. Unstackable. Does not stack with other cards of the same name. Keeps highest. Keeps highest tier. Probably be more accurate. Here. And then if I want to take a look at you, the default one is, yeah, considerably smaller. That's fine. And I could probably reduce this a little too. I don't know if I use this variation once anywhere. I wish I knew where I was using this. I think I remember where I was using it. But it might be in the old setup. Okay. So this works now. I can right click and get information about what unstackable is. And if I want to, I can now add more keywords. Okay. I also want to make it so if I right click again, it goes away. That's important. So a mouse button down. Here we do a show all keyword descriptions, but this one, what I want to change here is I want to get a bool, and you say shown or descriptions visible. We'll do that at the beginning. I might want to put this on the game mode, and I might want to do this across everything so I don't have to keep right-clicking on every single one. That might be an option. But for now, let's put it here. And here we'll reuse it, but we'll just turn it off. That way here, do a little branch. If it is visible, then we want to hide them. Otherwise, we want to show them. Crazy, I know. Right click, right click. Okay. Yep. It works, but of course, if I move to the other ones, it disappears. So if I want to keep that, I would want to store it. I could just store it on... Do I want to save that like as a permanent thing? Like a toggle? Or I could have it reset after... I could have it reset out when you close and reopen it. It just resets back. I don't think there's a reason to keep it like a save setting. If that's the case, then do I have references to? I don't think I have a reference to the deck builder above me. I have the game mode reference. That is the easiest place to put it, though. And from there, I can do whatever I want with it. Let's put it in the game mode. I think it's the easiest way of doing it. Exic! Thanks so much for the sub. Thank you for the prime. And welcome. How's it going? You're doing well. Howdy to you as well. He goes, well, I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad to hear it. Now I forgot the name of the thing that was going to name it. Crap. Descriptions visible. That's right. Card descriptions visible. And I can put that under cards. Okay, so here we're going to get game mode reference. Get card description visible. Bam. And now, under show and hide, we just need to do this. Set card description visible to be true. And take all of this and make it false. So now, if I enable it and I go across, right, because I have on mouse sleeve right now, graph. Go away. I don't need you anymore. So now if I enable it, oh crap. Right, I didn't think that part through. Okay, hold on. This needs to be done a little bit different. This needs to be done a little bit differently. I want this, but this cannot be part of it. Instead, it needs to be here. This is where it needs to happen. So, because only at this point do we want to actually save the setting. At all other times, we don't want to save the setting. Just want to hide or show it. No. Oh, it's because I'm not clicking. I now need a mouse enter. Okay, hold on. Okay, override mouse enter. Okay. Get car description visible. If it is visible, actually, I could just go on here. I want to. If it is visible, we want to turn it on. On enter. Aha! Never right click again. I don't see it. If I right click, I can see all of them. Okay, it doesn't work for these. It doesn't work for these yet. But it works for them here. Yeah, it's working. I just realized. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, what I guess I should do X probably get the information for it. Okay, so now we need to set it up for controller as well. Which shouldn't be as tough. So here, if it's this or Boolean. Why not work? Gamepad face button left. It should be true. Oh boy, are we gonna have issues with controller again? It's not detecting it at all. Pressing it. It detects that. Why are things never easy? It's because it's I'm pretty sure I did controller button before and it was fine. Oh, it's because I'm checking it here. What? Is it because I'm checking it here? No, actually, I don't need. I just want to do get then I need to no, but then that gives me the no. Okay. Go back to this. Yes. No. Oh. It's supposed to be a branch. Oops. And okay. Well, it's just not detecting it at all. But it's detecting A. Why did it detect the A button but not the X button? It's because it's not detecting it from here. It's detecting it from... It's because it's detecting it from somewhere else. Namely from here, isn't it? Here. Left shoulder, right shoulder. No, I don't have... No, I never did program the left mouse button to being A. That was just a common UI thing, I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Can I check here instead? Still string. Maybe it just needs to be on key down instead of on mouse down. Okay, so it does do it, but now... Oh, I was just using the wrong thing. Okay, so it does work. It is just on key down. It is not on mouse down. Okay. So in that case, if we press this left, Then we can go here. Don't need this. Do need this. Collapse to function. This is going to be our set card description. There we go. Okay, and then whether or not it's true or false here doesn't matter. We just go out and handled. So now, if I press this, I can go between them, and now we got our thing, all with the controller. If I press it again, it goes away. Yay! It works! I feel like they got louder. Why did they get louder? Okay. Good. So next we also want to make sure that it works with the deck version. We have the one with in the collection working, but now we want to also work in the deck version. What I mean is, this one works, right? We got this, but it doesn't work here. I want it to also work here. So it should say the same information there. So let's see what we need to do for that. So we probably need to go to cards, deck card. So here we're creating the card, setting it to not hit testable. That is all correct. We also want to do is get game mode. Ooh, do I not have a game mode reference? Huh. I don't have a game mode reference on this one. I don't. Okay, that's fine. We can get a game mode reference without needing to do anything. Let's do a game mode reference. We'll make it reference. We'll make it explosion spawn. And then inside of the deck builder, here, edit U, graph, refresh. There's the game mode reference. And now we can do get game mode reference and just push that through. Now we have our game mode reference. Okay. So now we can do get game mode reference, get card description visible. Based on whether it is visible or not, just like before. Set card description visibility. Show all keyword descriptions.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay. We'll finish up after the ads, but this should do it in terms of having it work or having it display, but it will not let me toggle still on them. We'll still need to add that in. And that's okay. Definitely that one's not done. Oh man, the YouTube channel passed 25,000 hours of watch time. My goodness. 25,000 hours. I'm so sorry for you guys. Man. I waste a lot of people's time, don't I? Oh man. It's all happy about it. I'm like, damn. So many people wasted so much time on me. Excuse me. I don't deserve it. I was way too happy. Way too happy for this. Okay. Hide all keyword descriptions if false. Make sure it's all fine, and then we just go here. So theoretically, no, this does not work. Why no work? Oh. Wait, what do you mean a game reference is not valid? What do you mean it's not valid? Okay. Hold on. Oh, is it? Oh, it does. It does this first. It generates the deck card. Oh. I think it's because I put it in the wrong place. But I just plugged it in the wrong place, that's why. Here. And then here. This is the deck card. Refresh. So when we add the card to the deck, we want to pass the game mode, and when we create this one I missed. That's why. Oh, still doesn't work though. No errors. No errors this time. It didn't work. Entry? It says yes. So it is correctly saying yes, but just not showing anything. Oh, it's because I'm not sending through its information. Yeah. Okay, hold on. I need to. So it is correct. It is showing everything that it can. But on creation, it never ran the add keyword descriptions. Add keywords to bottom. So here I do set cart. Yeah, when we do set cart info, I do that. So I need to. It was run basically before the construct. So I need to add keyword descriptions first. Is that way? I mean, theoretically, it would happen on construct, but I guess I'm trying to run this before construct. Ta-da! Okay. So now this works. I can't right-click on these yet, though. We haven't set that up. But it's partially working. Okay. Okay. So now we've set up the right-click on these guys. Mouse event. Cleaner there. Okay, so we should be able to just take all of this. Go here. Mouse button down. Basically just take this. So here, obviously this is not a thing. So what we need to do is here I want to store the variable for this widget. So let's promote this to a variable. This is going to be our displayed full-sized card reference. Fine. And here we need to do set card description visible. Set card description visibility. And now it works. Why does it do that? What? Why does it do that? I can turn it on, but that doesn't work here then. For whatever reason. Oh, what? Game mode reference. Why is this reference not set? Oh, it's because it's from here. So set game mode reference. We're basically we set the game mode reference at one place. And now we're just like throwing it around. It's great. So now, right click, got it. And we still have it here. We still have it here. And if I right click here, it goes away. And it goes away here. Right click enables, right click disables, disables. There we go. It was just because. So now, do this, we enable it, go to excuse me. That happened. Why am I moving the mouse? Why am I moving the actual mouse with my controller? What is the... What? Improvising? I mean, aren't I always? What happened? Why are none of my buttons except A working now? What? What? How did I do this? How did I do this? I don't want this. The shit is this? Why? What possible thing of me adding functionality for the other thing? Hold on. Oh, hold on. No, I'm setting it to not hit testable. I added it collapsed, so it's not like. What? Why is none of this working now, right? Why is this not working? What happened to everything? Why is this not working now? Nothing's printing. Nothing's printing. Hey, Stormer, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Is it because we did this? If I don't have this... Sorry, if I just delete this... It works. So you're telling me that having this overrides everything else I've been doing up till now? This, that just checks for this, overrides also everything else before it. So now... So now we have to change a bunch of stuff to work around this. Of course I do. You've done it. You've accomplished what you have set out to achieve 2 months ago. Nice. All it took was one node. Hey, congratulations on finding the one node. What were you trying to achieve, and what was the node? You're trying to get the PCG grass off your auto landscape rock slopes. Oh, it turns out you don't need normal density on PCG. Oh yeah. If you wanted to just not work on a angle, yeah, normal density does that. And then you can do a filter by density. Yep. You never bothered to ask me for 2 months. Not once? You didn't think like, yeah, you know, this guy does some PCG tutorials. Maybe he knows. No? You didn't know what you were needing? What do you mean? You didn't know that you didn't want grass on the sides of this? Well, then how do you know it was 2 months ago then? You were trying to get rid of it for 2 months. So you had to have known it was for 2 months ago, right? Otherwise, it didn't take 2 months. Or am I misunderstanding something? Okay, this is gonna be a thing. This is gonna be a thing. You thought you were gonna have to sample the landscape material layer, so you tried so many things. And you're doing it all in PCG graph? Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a lot easier. Definitely a lot easier. Basically, I need to move all of this now. All of this into here. Yeah. Some part of it I can do. Some parts of it I can do. Some parts of it are going to be a pain in the ass. ChatGPT had you making vector dot nodes, make attribute nodes, HLSL nodes, and you got so lost in EU stuff you didn't even know existed. Yeah, that's why I say, like, ChatGPT is helpful when you already know 90% of it. And maybe you don't know if there's a node, and you can be like, hey, is there a node for this? And then you can check for the one node. Or it can help you write HLSL code, specifically. But even then, it's not great about it. It'll take hours, trust me. I've tried. So yeah. ChatGPT isn't there yet. At least with Unreal. Unfortunately. Okay, so we can go here. Have you seen DeepSeek stuff? Is that the Chinese AI that everyone's talking about today that's crashing the NASDAQ and Tesla and all those stocks? I got a glimpse of the info about it, but other than that, I don't... Another AI. Okay. You have no idea where to put the code ChatGPT gave you for the node? Yeah, there's no place to put it. Well, there is in 5.5. There's the custom HLSL stuff. Yep. It's open source, kind of crazy. Yeah. To me, open source doesn't mean much because I don't know how to write the code anyway, or I don't know what to do with it. So no. Doesn't mean quite as much to me, but yes. Okay, so we have this. We can do this. a better way of doing this. Honestly. But here we are. Your game has been packing for over an hour. You're scared to work on your PC? Yeah, I don't know. Packing is so weird because when I keep trying to pack my game as a development build, it kept crashing. I could not get it to work for hours. But I tried to do a like a full release build or shipping build. It finished in like a few minutes without issues. What's the difference? I don't know. No idea. That was the last time I tried. But that's how it was, I guess. Okay, I need to get access to this stuff. So get game mode reference. Get HUD reference. No. I need the get deck builder. Fresh widget. And then the deck builder can get deck or deck. Could not access a specified channel or stream key. Please double check your stream key. If this is correct, there may be a problem connected to the server. Oh, Twitch just went down. Why did my Twitch go down? No. Yes. Yes. What? Is Twitch? It is. Well, it's not connecting to Twitch. Is Twitch having issues? I'm still streaming on YouTube, I'm sure. Yeah, YouTube is normal. Yeah, on my side, it says Twitch reconnecting. Like, it actually just says reconnecting on Twitch. So, Twitch might be down for some reason. Odd. There's a lot of to package a debug build than a shipping build because it doesn't need to link everything together to make it easy to debug. Push down for some reason. Oh, that's literally my message. See, when Twitch kept freezing, I thought it was because of another tab. No, maybe. Hold on, let me see. Is Twitch in general having issues? Yeah. Let's find out. No, this is fine. And all the streams I'm checking are fine. No, it's just me. It's just me. Odd. Odd. What if I... Doesn't want to stream. Odd. I could try real quick closing down OBS and trying to relaunch it. If I'm fast enough, it should just go back to the same YouTube stream. Oh, I'm gonna do that. Just make sure I'm ready to do that. Let me try doing that real quick to see if I can go back up on Twitch. 1 sec. Okay. Okay. Restarting OBS fixed. What happened, OBS? And here you are making a YouTube account. We're back. I don't know what that was all about. OBS was like, no. Screw you. I guess. I'm back. Yay. Set selected area. It's okay, guys. We got it all fixed. You know, I guess that's the main thing. We got it all fixed. This is a mess. Can we make it less of a mess? Somewhat. Somewhat, we can do that. Move these. Scooch you over. Scooch you over. Okay.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
We'll get back there. Make sure to make a YouTube account, Hexic. That make you subscribe to me, and then ring that notification bell, and like all the videos. And what else do you do on YouTube? I think that's it. Comment on all the videos. Wait, do you actually not have a YouTube account though? Hey, do you act? That is surprising. Yeah? Wow. You're one of the few. See, I'm primarily a YouTube watcher. You just have browser cookies to stalk you instead? I mean, I guess that works. The .NET runtime is throwing a screw you to me right now because it will not garbage collect unreferenced classes and driving you insane. Is there a draft here? Because I think I just had something fly over my head. You lost me at .NET. .NET, really? That's really when you lost me. Pretty much a handful of words in. Basically, it isn't freeing up memory for something that's not used. There's really a big draft here. Can I tell your Unreal Engine to hurry up? Maybe it's since my PC voice, it will hear you. Hurry it up. Come on, Unreal, hurry it up. Do it. Do it. Hurry it up. Come on now. Is it working? You know, the reference is invalid, the memory is still allocated. Well, that's just silly. It shouldn't do that. Tell it to stop. Because that's the solution, right? Just tell it to stop. I mean, that's clearly the solution. You're just waiting on a new file to drop on your desktop, I think. I mean, I guess... have fun waiting? Question mark? Or I'm sorry for waiting? Okay. Everything is plugged in. Also realized I never did handle here. And I never complained. How did I not have handled anywhere here? And it was like, yeah, that's fine. But yet it complains when I don't set it up normally. I don't handle here anywhere. Or did you? No, I don't think it didn't copy it because it usually copies it. Or maybe I didn't grab it. Did I not grab it? Hold on. No, it just still doesn't have it. I never had it. I only had it here. And yet it was fine. It didn't care. I don't know. You've been trying to put you've been trying to, but you might just sweep this minor memory leak under the rug and pretend like it doesn't exist until it becomes a major memory leak, and then you'll just cry in a corner. Now, why don't you just skip some steps and just cry in a corner now to get it over with? I feel like, why wait? If you know it's going to become a problem, it's going to become a major leak, you're going to need to cry in the corner, so just do it now, and then you'll feel better about it yourself going forward, because you got all the bad stuff out of the way. I think that just, they just, like, something goes wrong, oh, that's fine, you got it taken care of, no problems now. Made 2 little islands, and it's like 11 gigabytes of stuff, so we'll see. Internet says the first package will take a while. Wait, what are you doing? Are you downloading or uploading? Because you said copying to your desktop, so, or dropping on your desktop, so I assumed you were just copying some files, but it shouldn't take you that long. Unless, okay, so this is something I learned on Friday. Freaking 7-zip. If you open 7-zip and you take the folder or whatever's inside of it and you just drag it somewhere else, it will take hours and hours and hours. But if you right click on the 7-zip folder and just select extract, it will take seconds. The result is the same, right? You have that folder inside of the 7-zip extracted, but somehow the timing is different based on the button you press. I don't fully understand it. This doesn't happen with just .zips. You just open them and you just move them. But it is a thing with 7-zip. It might be a thing with WinRAR too, I don't know. But I found that out on Friday. Because apparently that's a thing. Packaging a game for Windows and it's going to desktop. Ah, okay. So it's the packaging taking a while. Got it. Okay, well, let's find out if okay, this works. Hey, we're back. We're back, boys. We're back. Well, let's find out if we're back. Yay, we're back. Okay. Okay. Now, does that mean here I don't need to do all this? I mean, I guess I'll keep it here. UE done lost its mind. You're looking at the output log for the template and says it compiled this one thing 300 times. Well, I mean, did you have it in the level 300 times? Maybe it needs to. Yeah, that's an odd one. Everything was working exceptionally well last Friday. Last Friday was great. Everything was broken. Nothing was working. It was also very small problems that caused big issues. It was hilarious. I loved it. I loved every moment of it. If you guys haven't want a good laugh and watch me struggle and then watch hilarity ensue as things don't work as people expect, you gotta watch Friday's stream. It's where I looked at BCGEX. And then the developer of BCGEX was in the chat. It was funny. What do you mean, oh, grass, by the way, Stormrun? It shouldn't compile every single blade of grass. So what do you mean, oh, grass? Yeah, like that makes sense all of a sudden. I don't know. You know what? Fair enough. Okay. How did I just get out of the game? If you guys note, I'm currently swapping between the tabs of Unreal Engine itself. It might be hard to see. Oh, let's see. No, it's not zooming in the right place. I'm on File, Edit, Windows. I've been with the controller this entire time. How the hell did I manage that one? Wait. How did Something's wrong. What? Why is it... This works. Right? But if I go from the center, then it stops working. If I move right and left, it works again. It's fine. We'll figure it out eventually. Where's my spreadsheet? I gotta write down another bug. Write down another bug. Deck to collection from middle causes deselection. Sure, we'll just call it that. Good enough. Is that okay? Okay, we're fine. We're fine. You want to have minutes in the past, Sag? I mean, that's not very far in the past. Despite being a minute and a half in the past, you're technically still in the future, while at the same time in the past, because you're in the future in terms of time. Hey, Siren Cat, welcome in. How's it going? Doing well. Welcome, welcome. There's a plugin called Exterminator that gets rid of all your bugs. That'd be nice. I have a nice plugin called I shouldn't have opened this plugin. Because this plugin just closed all my freaking tabs. I have a cleanup, a project cleaner option. And apparently when you open it, because I haven't opened it for a long time, because I need a cleanup, it closes your tabs. Like God damn it. What'd you join to? Chaos. So normal stuff. Mostly chaos. Before time, you had to go into uni and a job and stuff. Nice. Turned 17 January 1st. Well, happy belated birthday. Wait. You got into uni and you have a job. Hold on. And you just turned 17? Wait. Wait. Are you... What do you mean you just turned 17 and you're already in uni? My goodness. He is a prodigy, clearly. I went to college when I was 18. You got in before 17. My God. No wonder I'm dumb. You got into uni at 16, actually? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because you just turned 17 and you already got into uni. So it means you got into uni when you were 16. You know, I wasn't thinking of myself as being too smart. Now I feel even stupider. Thanks. I'm kidding. Anyway, okay, we got the... So the main thing we got is we now have working keywords. And they work for both the down below area. Oh. Okay, they don't fully work. This button doesn't work for... Okay, we're almost done with that. It almost works. It seems I need to set up the on-off still for the bottom for the key down. On key down. I should be able to just, I think, copy all this. Yeah, confirm. Just confirm. We'll fix all this in a second. Create a local variable for this. Set card description visibility. That has to happen on you. Set card description visibility. Okay. Oh no, you tried game dev, but as always, motivation is a big issue. And because of getting no practice, you constantly start from scratch since you just forget everything. Yeah, I don't think you forget everything. You might forget some like a node here and there. But I don't think you probably retain a good amount. And yeah, you might forget like a few things here and there, like where's the one thing, but the second or third time you do it, it's a lot faster to pick up, right? It's you know, repetitive learning. if you do the same thing over and over, eventually, you know, it becomes easier and easier and easier and easier. So don't feel like you're wasting time doing the same thing. You're still getting better every time. So, yeah. Don't stress about that. You get better every time. Gotta believe in yourself. Yeah. Aha! Well, no. Wait, why? Oh. What happened? How did this stop? How? Oh, it's because here I need to do set game mode reference. Right? Because I'm basically doing the same thing I was doing here, but I'm no longer doing this here. Oh, I am. Yeah. Just copy this. There we go. That should fix it. Thank you, Mr. Dum Dum. You're welcome. It's been a while since anyone has called me Dum Dum. That just shows how long it's been since you've been here. Although, if you do end up becoming a, I think that's on BTTV actually. I think the Dum Dum emote is on BTTV. So you should be able to use it even on YouTube. Yay, works now. Full. Wait. Yeah. Full control. I can turn it off. Yay! Okay. Now we're good. Now we're good. Okay. So, now we have this. Good. So, okay. We created a list of curses before. We need to create the curse effects. And that's why we're making a keyword set. Because the curses will have keywords on them. So, if we take a look back to my spreadsheet. Okay. Here are curses that I have. So, as a reminder of what the plan is, when you have the 3-card selection, normally, you choose 1 and 2 get discarded. When you make it to the shop, you'll have an option of 3 cards. And maybe you'll have one of them be a cursed card, which will give you a more powerful effect on the card. So it'll boost the strength of it. But it will come with a curse downside. And some of the downsides include more damage taken, less damage dealt, higher stamina drain, fewer projectiles, a minimum of 1, more elites, reduced AoE range, and if we come up with more, we'll add more, of course. Or if you have suggestions on more, then we can add more curses. Keep in mind, they need to be something that is able to be reduced or increased in strength. So it can't be like no active item, because that doesn't have a percentage you can tweak. That's just like an on-off thing. Hey, you ain't done some Jura tickets? You hate Jura so much, you'll come in extreme and stay longer? No worries. Have a good one. Get some good sleep. Have fun on uni. Yeah. Enjoy. Thanks for coming by. So, do we? The curses. Oh, right. So the curses are not full cards. The curses will be just keywords. So I don't need to make full cards for them, which is nice. And then, oh, but that, you know what that means though? So that means that when we get into a game, right, when we come in here, and if I gave myself a card, I need to be able to see the information on the card. So this screen actually needs to be selectable for me to see the keywords and what they mean. So we actually need to do that. Also, I just noticed that when I did here and press escape, it didn't work. Why? Why? Let's find out. This is for... Not here. Car unlock, HUD, loading. This one. No. Where's my, It's on the debug card selector. Place it is. Hold on. No, that's all fine. Was it here that's the problem? No, it was... That was on the other screen, that's the problem, right? What happened to Electric Boogaloo? Where's my character? Here. Where are you? Oh, you're in the deck builder. That's one. Okay. So here... Hold on. Why do I not have a... game mode reference here. I have the get game mode reference. Get. I don't. I don't have it set. And I don't set it on begin play. Odd. I should fix it. I don't know how these things work. It's always so weird to me. Like, I will do something, it'll work, and I'm like, great. And then sometime down the line, I realize that it breaks. And then when I look at it again, I'm questioning how did it even work to begin with, because it makes sense that it broke, and it makes sense that it doesn't work now. So somehow I managed to I managed to make things that work but shouldn't work, and then eventually they realize themselves that they shouldn't work and stop working. And I don't know how that manages to happen every time. Well, not every time, but like a lot of times. But apparently I'm good at it. Okay, ads are done. Let's go. So here we now plug that in. So hopefully that stops the issues. Hey, Fraxis, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. So I cannot press backspace anymore in these because I'm now on here. Right. And escape closes the damn thing. I don't understand. For the life of me. So why is it when I'm here and I press escape, I'm still in the game? But if I'm here and I press escape, I quit the game. When I'm in editor. What the hell's the difference? Why does that quit? Why does that quit? But if I don't press it, then it's fine. I have questions. But, you know, I guess we won't answer those questions right now. Hey, Loki Trickster, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. The main thing we need to do is add in the control for the collected cards, right? So here we need to now have control over this. We need to be able to select them and view the information on them. So that means we need to change some stuff. So this is no longer a common user widget. This needs to be a common activatable widget. And because I don't remember, I need to go to... What's the setup? It's been a while. Get desired focus target. That's what I need. Get desired focus target. Checking out some game dev streams. Saw you're doing a card game. Well, I have a card game mechanic in it, yes. But it is also a top-down action RPG. And roguelike. And it uses a deck builder for your power-ups. So you unlock, you can build your own deck to choose what kind of cards you get access to. So like these cards were in my deck. And so when I got enough to unlock a card, I get to choose one card. Like I want Airblade. And now I shoot a projectile along with my melee attack. Normally you don't get cards this quick. This is just for... Was it inspired by Hades? Yeah, as well as Binding of Isaac and other games, yep. Yep. It, like the whole... Ooh. Why does this say unstackable, unstackable, and this says unstackable, 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 and this unstackable, unstackable, unstackable? This is not quite right. But yes, it is inspired by games like Hades, Binding of Isaac, and other games of the sort. A lot of Binding of Isaac inspiration in terms of the actual like passive power-ups and all that. Why am I attacking that way still? Even though I'm clicking the here. I need to look into that. I think that's on my to-do list though. I'm gonna die! Oh, I have lifesteal. That's why I'm not dying. I got myself lifesteal. Is this roguelike or roguelite? What is roguelite? There's roguelikes because it is like the game Rogue, which was the original one of its kind. What is roguelite? Because I'm not familiar with roguelite. Really. Cannot hit this bastard. There you go. Yeah, there's the little charge attack. Oh, I'm dead. I didn't move out of the way in time. They want to be very sure you know that they're unstackable. Yeah, really. They are unstackable. Are you sure? Very sure. Roguelikes, you die and it's over. Roguelite, you die, but you have the benefits that go for you into the next run. Well, if there's a progression shop and you get... so if you pick up the items, you can unlock the power-ups and all that. So yes. You will have options. It's like Hades in that regard. If you pick up the items, you can use your collected currency from the run to yeah. I mean, it's also roguelike, right? It's done both, I guess. I don't know. Because all roguelites are roguelikes, but I guess not all roguelikes are roguelike. I don't know. I'll just keep calling it a roguelike. I know that's the one that makes the most sense to me. It's like the game Rogue, which I've never played or seen, I'll be honest. So, you know. Yeah. Get child at 0. So can I well, let me give myself a few options here. What happened to my effects? Why are none of the effects properly okay. I can't select. I can right click on them. Okay, so I am able to select them here, but they're not able to show the selection bars. Probably because they're set to preview mode. I might need to add a new mode. I might need to add like a highlight only mode. Can't believe you're saying this, but you're going to bed? Oh my god, guts, have a good night. Holy shit. You deserve a celebration for this. The man is actually going to bed. Holy crap. You look up the differences when Bellatra came out and was so popular and received the roguelite tag, which just confused the hell out of me because I think it was similar to Rogue. See, like the mechanic. I don't understand the. I mean, I guess I feel like there's other games that did that before, like a long time ago. But I guess the whole mechanic of you dying and restarting came from Rogue. So yeah, I guess. I feel like it needs different names. Because it's not like there's other type of Rogue blanks, right? There's just Rogue-like and Roguelite. But you can't have one a subsidiary of the other when there's just one option. Then what's the point? The PCG aspect came from Rogue. That's the other defining factor. But there's other games that had procedural generation. Right? That's not new. So I'm pretty sure quite a few games had procedural levels at the time. Did Wolfenstein and all those games have set levels, or were they randomized? I actually don't know. And I don't remember. Anyway. Okay, I want to do here. I have preview mode, deck available, deck unavailable. I can do selection. Whenever you write PCG, I just think procedural content generation, which is like the Unreal specific thing. And I don't think you mean that. But I don't know if maybe that's was just popularity. Lots of games get known even without being the first, like Minecraft versus Infiniminer. What is Infiniminer? Never heard of this. It's an online game. I mean, it's very different. And is the original Minecraft before Minecraft was a thing? Yeah, it's extremely different though. Like, well, it's like they both have the blocky look, but I would end it at that. Right, the whole, yeah, voxel world, yeah, definitely. But I think that's where the similarities end. That's more or less where the similarities end. It's cool though. It's cool. Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, I remember. Look, I was there during like early beta of Minecraft. I still remember. I was in college. I was in early college when Minecraft like alpha or beta came out. And I remember it was online only. They had like a single player. This is like before even mobs were a thing. And you know what I did? I went and I loaded it up. I'm like, it's cool. And then I walked around. I'm like, cool, I can walk around, I can jump. And then I'm like, I can punch some flowers. And I got some flowers, and then that's it. I'm like, what? Can't do anything else. Because at the time, I had never played a single game that had me hold the button down. So the act of me holding the mouse button down was such an alien concept to me that I never even tried it at the time to break a block. I would spam click, but that's it. Because mostly the only games I played at the time were RPGs. And you just select and then click, and that's it. There was just a selection thing. Because I played a lot like JRPG, I could play Final Fantasy VII before then. And that's all, like you just run around and you just select and you press the selection. There was no game that I played had ever had a hold button. And so I eventually like walked around like I don't know what to do with this game, and then I put it down for a while until like sometime later that I learned that, oh, you hold the button down. And then like, okay, then I went back and played it again, and made a lot of content about it and stuff. There were absolutely no instructions on English here. There were at the time there were no instructions on anything. But yeah, it was okay, so I have this, but okay, so it is not selecting the first one properly. So here I'm able to select these, go through these, but here it doesn't grab the first one. Okay, why not? Yeah, it does it to get child at 0. Oh, I know why. Because after this, it needs to activate widget. Okay, so now if I gave myself some cards, come here. Ah, there. Now we have. Now it's selected, and now I can do this. The question is, can I give myself? No. I cannot give myself more cards. I can select them, which I don't really want. I probably need a new mode. So what happened to the effects? What the hell happened to the effects? Okay, I want to know. Let's go to... my character. I need to look into which one is it? Temporary vulnerability. Okay. You. What happened? What happened to this effect? This is not what it looks to look like. And then what happened here? Oh, okay. He's got I feel like there's a cache or something that was there and it got uncached, and it's not checking again the information it needs to. And I don't know Cascade enough to be like, oh yeah, that's here. Where are the textures? Color of life, initial size, mesh material. Aha. So now it just refreshed it. Okay. So and now this one's realized what it is. You're gonna learn about the effects because you have too little of an idea what's going on here. Well, don't learn about cascade effects. There's no point. But yeah, learning about the other effects is probably a good idea. Nagra is pretty awesome. Like, I know enough to kind of like get like understand enough like for what I need, but not enough to like Like, oh, let me just make a full flamethrower from scratch kind of thing. So why does this still look like this? Why does this still look like this? Like it realized what its stuff is. But this hasn't updated. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yes, there's a few more that I needed to grab here. Okay. What else? Where's the ground one? These are those. It's here. It's this thing. Color over life, actual size, lifetime. Oh. You. Aha! Cascade is like pre-Niagara. Yeah, Cascade is pre-Niagara. Cascade is exactly that. So, like, these days, you shouldn't be using Cascade. The only reason I have Cascade in any way is because I am using, like, the Paragon stuff. There we go. That's what I was expecting. Let's see. And there's the effect. Yeah. Cascade is basically pre-Niagara, so unless you're using the Paragon stuff, you probably won't be doing anything with Cascade. Or if you're getting the old, like, just Unreal 4 stuff, then you might get Cascade. But otherwise, there should be no reason for you to use Cascade. Just use Niagara. That's my recommendation. You could, of course, still use Cascade. It's still there, but it's not as powerful and it's not as good. Okay. So, so here we have this card mode selection. I'm gonna change the... I'm gonna add another card mode type. I think I'm gonna add another card mode type. Specifically for that menu. Yeah, it's set on here. Yes, yes, yes. This is hovered, unhovered. Preview mode, yep. This is correct. And here, I'll be able to do it. There you go. A mouse button down. Okay, so let's do that. So under enums, I need the card mode. What's it called? The deck card mode. Deck card mode type. Oh, is it inside of the UI because it's part of the deck builder? Deck card mode. There it is. Most of your work usually gets done if you get up early, so you're heading out. Have a good night. Thanks for stopping by.
Pausing for ads.
Get some good sleep. Get some rest. Got a notification on my phone. YouTube's like, 25,000 hours of watch time. Congratulations. Thanks. Appreciate it. With my #1 video being the 5.3 part 1 building series video. #2, surprisingly, is how to get started with PCG biomes. And then the third place is my first part of the 5.4 building series. Huh? Cool. Very cool. Ads are almost done, and we continue. Continue. I got myself a lock to pick. And I've been learning to pick a lock. I'm somewhat successful. It's not very good yet. This is view only. View selection only. Here's view selection. Yeah, that's fine. Guess it's fine. Okay. So now here, I just do this because I don't want to do anything. And then on the collection here, you can change collection to view selection only. And is that it? Do I need more? Let's find out. Right. I've got here. I can select them. I can do this. I can do that. But I cannot. Nice. There we go. So now we can go into this menu. We can go and turn on the information for the keywords, which is great. But yeah. But we don't get the anything else. Awesome. Okay. Cool. So that is all good now. So we have now successfully added in the information, basically. Or we now have so we don't need to have the curse effects slash cards. We don't need the cards. So these are the keywords then. Create curse keywords. We don't need the card UI. We're not doing this anymore. So don't need it. So We're already storing discard cards. This is now successful. So I think tomorrow, what we're gonna do is implement the effects of the curses. So we need to get all of these effects going, and then we'll need to. Well, I'll implement one of the effects probably. I'll put one of the effects or two of the effects, and then we'll make sure that basically we'll need to make it so it appears when we interact with a shopkeep, which we don't have, which we'll just use some stand-in, like a cube or something, just for something, and yeah, and the plan is to make it so we can get that, add to our deck, and the curse effects and all the effects work together. It's still a whole process. I want to try to get it working to some degree by the end of the week to get it in for the next month's Patreon release. That's the hope. That's the goal. Considering I missed out on like a good extra week or so. Actually, not a week. I missed out on like a week and a half. Well, actually, that doesn't even include December. I missed out on a lot of time working on the game over the holidays and sickness. So hopefully, it'll be good. But I think this is where we're gonna call it a night, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have fun. I'll be back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific, and we'll continue from there. Hopefully without Twitch going down this time. Have a good night, everyone. Get some rest. Bye-bye.